Why do car tires have grooves? To increase friction. Which tissue in plant stems transports water and minerals? The xylem. What is it called when sound is heard returning in a cave? An echo. Why is the temperature difference between day and night on Mercury so great? Because it has almost no atmosphere. What is the force called that hinders the motion of an object? Friction. What does the wave-particle duality of the electron mean? That it has both particle and wave properties. What condition is required for an object to keep moving without changing its speed or direction? A balance of forces. What two forces are in equilibrium on a book resting on a desk? Gravity and the normal force. As the mass of an object increases, how does its inertia change? It increases. As the potential difference between two conductors increases, how does the current change? It increases. What do we call a machine that operates on its own and is programmed to perform specific tasks? An intelligent automatic machine. What is the phenomenon called when the image in a mirror appears left-right reversed? Lateral inversion. What is absolutely necessary for a stationary object to start moving? A force. What substance is most commonly used as an energy source by living organisms? Carbohydrates. What technology allows a drone to move along a route without being manually controlled? GPS-based autonomous flight. What is the process called in which plants release water vapor into the air through stomata? Transpiration. Why does your heart beat faster when you feel fear? Because of autonomic nervous system responses. What is produced around a coil through which electric current flows? Magnetic field. Why can a drone take off and land automatically? Because of autonomous flight algorithms. Which cell organelles synthesize proteins according to genetic information? Ribosomes. What natural phenomenon is formed when light is refracted and reflected by water droplets? A rainbow. What does Newton's third law of motion state? The law of action and reaction. What is the phenomenon called when applying a force to an object causes its state of motion to change? Acceleration. What are the north and south poles of Earth's magnetic field called? Magnetic poles. Why is DNA replicated when a cell divides? To preserve genetic information. Which planet is the largest in size in the solar system? Jupiter. What is the instrument called that measures the magnitude of earthquakes? A seismograph. What technology is mainly used for a robot to determine its position? GPS. During cell division, at what stage are chromosomes replicated? Interphase. What is the organ in the human body that filters waste products from the blood? The kidneys. What is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere called? The troposphere. What substance is always produced in a neutralization reaction? Water. In what shape are the stars gathered in a globular cluster? In a spherical shape. Where is the magnetic force of a magnet the strongest? At its two ends. Which of Mendel's laws states that a pair of alleles separates during the formation of gametes? The law of segregation. What type of motion appears when a stretched spring is released? Vibration. What are the two core technologies that are essential for the operation of self-driving cars and drones? Sensors and artificial intelligence. What is the first physiological response that changes when you start exercising? An increase in breathing rate and heart rate. What type of cloud is mainly formed when a cold front passes? Cumulonimbus clouds. What do we call the ratio of the amount of water vapor in the air to the amount at saturation? Relative humidity. Thanks for watching all the way through. Share your science knowledge in the comments. Your support helps us create even more science quizzes. See you in the next one.